I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by shaping the silhouette. You want medium-length top layers and shorter, blended sides. Use a razor or texturizing shears to cut choppy, feathered ends so hair hangs unevenly rather than blunt. Once done, leave the fringe long to fall over the brow and slightly to the side. That's the signature look. Make sure to remove weight from the crown with point cuts so the hair can sit voluminous and unruly without looking bulky. Now add texture and finish. You tease small sections at the crown for lift, then apply a matte paste through mid-lengths and ends to create separation and that slightly gritty feel. Use your fingers, not a comb, to arrange the fringe into a swoop that partially obscures the eyes. This creates the moodiest shape. For color, choose a rich black or blue-black tone to replicate the contrast. Semi-permanent dye lets you adjust intensity without long-term commitment. To finish the look each morning, towel dry until damp, then blow dry while roughing hair with your fingers to encourage natural movement. Once mostly dry, work a pea-size amount of matte paste through roots to ends. You should arrange the fringe with your hands to fall forward, don't overbrush. For upkeep, trim every 4-6 weeks to maintain the choppy texture and vibrant fringe. If the style flattens, use a clarifying shampoo and a little root lift spray to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.